Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video. In today's video, I will share with you Hermes annual financial report of 2021. This report was published on February 18, 2022, and in today's video, I will share with you some very important information, and this information probably will help you if you decided to Hermes journey, let you guys have an idea which product to buy. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So let's just start with their revenue of the 2021. So according to their report, they show us their revenue of the 2021 about 9 billion euro dollars, increased 42% compared with the 2020. This report, they also mentioned that which country performed the best. So 2020, they mentioned Asia and Japan are the top two countries performed the best. But on the 2021, the best performance is Asia and USA. Now let's look at the figures. From their statement, they're showing us the revenue from the USA increased 56.7% compared with the 2020. This is the number explained why you are seeing so many Hermes unboxing, because more and more people buying Hermes in USA. For the Asia, the revenue increased 44.6%, which I don't feel surprised. Let's take a look at the France. As you can see, they have the negative 3.4%. What does that mean? It tells you that less tourists going to the France to buy their products from the last 2 years. Let's just go back to USA. When you see these numbers, you have to think those 2 years, because of the pandemic, most of the sale is come from the local customer. We have less tourists from the last 2 years. Because of the pandemic, a lot of people stopped traveling, so they spend a lot of money buying luxury items. I think that's also the reason that pushed the sales up to the number one. So now let's look at the revenue from each category. Leather always in the number one. You can see the number they earned total revenue from leather category and over 4 billions. However, the leather it's only increased 28.9%. So the next one we look at the ready to wear. This is very surprised me. Ready to wear increased 58.8%. They earned over 2 billion revenue from the ready to wear. That meaning a lot of people start to purchase their ready to wear. So in their report, they also mentioned that they are doing very good on the women's and men's ready to wear this section. So I think they will continue to do that, and the people will continue buying this. This one will be very strong here. And the next one, let's look at the watch. Surprising, watch is the highest percent. The increase is 72.5%. Can you tell something? These are the two categories that the people buying the most. Why? As I mentioned in my previous video, all the SA loved you to buy those two categories. You most likely will get your quota bag very fast. Next category is others. Other is including the jewelry, home goods, and the furniture. So obviously this section also did very good. Next one is the 46.5% is from perfumes, beauty products. You can see also doing very good. A lot of people buying their perfumes, makeup products, and also nail polish, those things. So we always see those unboxing. And the other thing they also mentioned in the future, their plan is they are going to continue to develop their leather products. Now we all know that why people love Chanel and Louis Vuitton, because they have many different style of the handbag. However, Hermes, you can really choose nice handbag besides Bergen's, Carry, Constant, Garden Party, Picton. Doesn't have a lot of choice. That's also the reason that a lot of people doesn't go to the Hermes, because they don't have a lot of style that people want. So that's for the Hermes also realize, because they want to attract more customers in the future, so they want to develop more leather products because leather still their main products, which I think is very good. So if you really love Hermes, so you will see more and more new style of the handbag will come out in the future years. And they also mentioned about the online purchase. Last year they increased the 78% of new customer from online purchase. Recently I noticed they put in more handbags on their official website, like Evelyn Bag, Picton, garden party or other handbags. So that's also make them to think online maybe it's another good platform to develop their sales revenue from now on, because when you go to the retail store you hardly find any item that you want available. Online seems to have more item available than the retail store. However, here you need to keep in mind, if you purchase the online, those spending is not going to accumulate on your SA's profile for you, because you purchased the online, you not purchased from her. She will not add those spending to your profile. You guys know SA has all clients profile. She will add your every spending, and to see the ratio is a match to what they require. So that one I will talk about later. So if you're spending $3,000 online, this $3,000 only showing your purchase history, but not adding on your purchase spending. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. If you start your Hermes journey because of the quota bag, then I suggest you don't buy from online, go buy from your SA. But if you really love this brand, you are not only for those 3 quota bag, then you definitely can start to buy from online because they have more item available than the retail store. I'm thinking if Hermes think the online revenue earn more than the retail, I hope they can change the way that you don't need to buy equal amount of the bag in order you to get a quota bag. So here I also wanted to mention, a lot of people ask me what is ratio meaning. Currently, if your first Hermes quota bag, normally you will get the Bergen 30 or Kelly 28. The ratio it may be 1 to 1. So for example, Kelly right now is selling $11,000. So you have to spend $11,000 on something else, that including the jewelry, shoes, ready to wear, those things, adding up to $11,000, and the SA will offer you a Kelly bag. So the ratio is 1 to 1. If you wanted to get the Bergen 25 or Kelly 25 bags, you may need to spend 1 to 2 or even more. This is the ratio. If the website online revenue is getting more and more, I hope this kind of thing, this kind of the game can change, because they won't look at your SA's profile, they will look at your purchase profile. I think that will be more fair. What do you guys think? I hope this kind of thing can change in the future, because for Hermes company itself, they want to have their customer really love their brand, like to buy their products. Those bundle sales rule is from each individual SA. That is why some of the people needed to spend more and the others no needed to spend a lot of money before they getting their bag. So these are the things I want to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.